before that I used to feel like sleepy. I used to have these headaches. I used to have this nasal blockage. I used to have this throat, and there used to be more cross infections from the patients. So I consulted a pulmonologist in Hyderabad. A test madam told that you are having mild asthma. You take steroids for this. I had sleep apnea because I am a bit obese. So now I stopped using Otrivin nose drops. And another thing is my snoring is gone down. I am losing my weight. The fat, belly fat I am losing. Before I used to have 96, 95. Now I am checking my saturations, it's 98, 99. And my heart rate has come down now. I used to have more tense I used to feel right at that time. I used to have heart rate of 92, 93 per minute. Now it has come down to 80, 78. And my resting heart rate has come down to 55, 56, which is very good. Resting heart rate, and there is activation of parasympathetic.
So I've been doing yoga for a long time, pranayams and stretches, but somehow it was not the way how you are dealing with, where 1 week without inhaler, I can't imagine, the day with this. So I feel so happy that okay, I can, otherwise anywhere I go, I have this inhaler with.
So I was rushed to hospital. I was hospitalized in ICU. Doctors were shocked. How you survive like this? I think because of these sessions, I attended very sincerely. Though I am on dengue fever, it started reducing day by day without medication.
Wow.
Really, Kaveri hospital doctors were shocked to seeing me.
It was so horrible that I could not sleep at all. I used to wake up at 4 o'clock and it felt like my heart comes out of my body. Such horrible was my heartbeat. The biggest achievement, and thank you to the Badarinath surgeries, I overcame my palpitations. It is a biggest achievement, really.
This is the real value, sir. I think this is the real value for not about the money what we paid, but the true guidance what we've got, sir. We all were struggling to get a right path. Everyone wants to do it, but the right path comes only when the destiny is there. My wife is the most surprised person that there is a drastic change all over, sir, right from my temperament to my working style to my my postures, my body language. Everything is different from last 21 days.
I joined this community for my anxiety, depression, menopause stage, and all this palpitation and everything. But I'm come out of it, sir. I was doing all this yogasana for more than 5 to 6 years, but in the middle I disconnected. But breathing was such a healing power I didn't know. They never taught us about breathing. Only you taught us, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I suffered a lot. Every day I was suffering. I felt that my life is going to, I am going to lose and I'm going to damage for my family. So I was thinking very bad thoughts in my mind. But when I joined, within 8 days I have got the results. So from last 5 days, I'm feeling very happy. I'm relaxed. I'm peaceful. So you have given me a life back. I'm going to join with you. I'm going to join.
So I was having the asthmatic problem last more than 30 years, and I was doing taking medicine morning and night, and both one medicine plus the nebulizer. So I stopped medicine the day I started this course. The nebulizer I reduced to 2 to 1, and planning to stop that one also tonight.
Want this?
Yeah.
This is very painful. Whole night it catches your nose and mouth. It's very painful. So that is why I have started this. I really find it very useful. I can't use this for life. You have come in as a savior to me. I would have shown you the number of inhalers I have, all color inhalers I have. And I have not used any inhaler for the last 1 week.
Wow.
I have recently joined you, and I think God has sent you as a savior to me. That's all I can think of. I really thank you, and I'm following your instructions. I have joined the 30-day program, and today is the 3rd day I have done.
It hurts on your face.
Yes.
It hurts your mouth. So I didn't want to use, and I've started doing exercise. I could also see some results where my saturation used to be 93, but as I took the lung challenge, my saturation started reaching 97. So just in 2-3 days, I can see the difference. I'm very happy to be part of this.